Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the January 2026 color kits from Shimmerz Paints. This kit is gorgeous. Now if you ever place an order on the Shimmerz Paints website, you can add my name to the notes section of your order, so add Melissa Minor, and Shimmerz will send you a free paint. Let's look at everything that's included in the Shimmerz Paints color kits this month. You can see here the color palette is stunning. I'm going to set the paints to the side because we'll swatch those in just a moment. The first thing we're going to look at are these dots. So these are enamel dots. Some people call them flare. We've got a snowflake, a pretty one in the purple that says winter, and then baby it's cold outside. This month we receive an acrylic title from Color Cast Designs that says Winter Memories, so I cannot wait to use that. And then we get a whole pack of already pre-cut ephemera. So let's look at this so we can get an idea of what the kit is all about. So it's all about winter. We've got several different winter phrases like frosty, and we've got some snowflakes here. I love the pretty snowflakes. I'll just flip through these. There's like some winter trees. There's a little journaling spot. Some more snowflakes, a little snow globe. Look at the little snowman. I already have in mind some photos that I want to scrapbook. We had lots of snow already in December, so I have quite a few photos that I've just been waiting to scrapbook, and this kit is perfect for documenting that. Got some hearts here. Here's another little snowman, some more snowflakes, a little stamp. These are cute. I love the colors too. There's a little sign with snow on it. Here's a little cute saying here. So lots and lots of cute things. These are small enough they could go on cards too. That one said, today is a hot chocolate kind of day. I liked that. Snow much fun and just chillin'. Then every month you also receive this coloring sheet, so with cute little images, and you can use your paints and paint them up, or you could use markers, however you want to color them up, and then you can fussy cut them. So it's a really good sturdy paper. All right, let's look at the 12 by 12 pattern papers. We had snowmen on the front and then stripes. We've got some snowflakes here, and look at these gorgeous polka dots. Here's some more of those little snowmen, but just a little different design, different scale. Got a grid paper and then a gorgeous stripe, some snowflakes, more of those little snowmen. Ooh, this is really cool. And then a pretty paper on the back. I love these snowflakes. Snowflakes on the back. Here's more little snowmen. This might be my favorite kit to date. I love the smaller pattern scale on the pattern papers. These are really pretty. Okay, and then you can also add this on. So this is called the bonus bundle, and it comes with sequins and also a paint. And the paint it comes with is the Pixie Dust Blingz. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch the paints. And what I do is I cut down some mixed media cardstock into 2 by 2 squares. And then I write the names on here, and then I'll go in and hole punch these when they dry and add them to swatch rings. All right, the first paint color that comes in the kit this month is called Snow Way Man, and it's a Vibez. And a Vibez has like a little bit of like a glitter shimmer to it. Really, really pretty. I love this one. All right, then the next one we're going to swatch here. This one is the Pixie Dust. This is the Blingz, and this is the one that comes in the add-on bonus bundle with the sequins. And oh my goodness, this might be my favorite. So it's kind of hard to pick up on camera, all the glitter and shimmer and shine and all these paints. But this one has like pieces of glitter in it, and it really looks like snow. Really, really pretty. All right, this next one here, this is a shimmer, so it's going to be like shiny, and this is called Cold Shoulder. And I like this color of blue too. This is deeper than the other one, or a richer color. And the Cold Shoulder Shimmers, that is a brand new color that just came out this month. So you're getting your first look at it. Now these next colors are Inklingz and Creameez. And the Inklingz and Creameez come in these paint pans. And so what I like to do is I like to write the letter. So it's an Inklingz, so I wrote an I on the side. And then I'm going to write Loose Lips Pink Ships on this one. And then I'll show you how I store these in a moment in the paint pans I store them in. But you do need to spray a little bit of water to activate them. So that's the Creameez and the Inklingz need the water. So I sprayed a little bit of water in there. We'll let that sit for a moment. We'll go ahead and do this other one and then we'll swatch these. So this one is Power to the Purple and it's a Creameez. Now the Inklingz have more shimmer to them. They're more like a Shimmerz because they're shiny. And then the Creameez they have a little, I think they have a little bit of shimmer to them, but they're not shiny. I hope that makes sense. All right, and then we'll move on to this last color. This is a Spritz, and it's called Hint of Mint. Now, the Spritz don't have the sparkle and shine in them. It's more like a watercolor. And that's a really pretty teal mint color here. And then let's go back to the Inklingz. So Loose Lips Pink Ships. Let's paint that one. I'm anxious to see what this color looks like. I love pink. Oh yeah, this is a really, really pretty pink. So that's Loose Lips Pink Ships. The names are so fun. They just make me smile. All the Shimmerz paints have such fun names. This is Power to the Purple, Creameez. And that's a really pretty purple as well. So I love all the colors in the kit this month. So pretty. All right, now this is a look at all the paints, almost dry here. And I want to show you the storage that I use to store these in. So the ones that come in the paint pans, I get this little container on Amazon. And it comes with magnets, so they all stick in here. And I stick a magnet on the bottom. And then I just put them in my pan. And since I have already labeled them, you know, on the side, I can read it. But I can look at my swatch sheet or my swatch ring to see all the colors. So that's how I swatch all of my paints. And this is how I store the Creameez and the Inklingz. So that is a look at everything included in this month's color kits. I will have a link to the Shimmerz Paints website down below. If you've enjoyed this unboxing, please hit that thumbs up button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!